Join us on the Elli-Yacht as we realize our 5-year plan with the kids grown up, moved out, graduated from college. We take the dog, sold everything, and kitted out the boat so we can cruise the Pacific Northwest, all while living and working in the heart of Seattle. Everyone, that is a taste of the blast that we're having up here in Desolation Sound. We're going to share, hopefully, Carlin's starting to hone in on a bunch of rope swings, so you might see a lot of those shots from different places. Like we have one in Squirrel Cove, so tomorrow morning, if it's nice.
Possibly.
You into that?
Yeah.
All right. But because we're up here and we're just experiencing everything, we're taking as much footage as we possibly can. But we don't have a lot of time for editing and doing those things. But when we get back, which will be shortly, we'll make sure to upload all those things. We're going to give reviews on how all the equipment has worked. Some of it's been great, some of it's been pretty good, and some of it, well, it broke. So we'll share all of that with you.
It's part of boating.
Yeah. But I will say, Starlink has done a really good job. So anyone who's contemplating that, especially for remote areas where you can't get any cell coverage at all, even with amazing cell routers like PetWave and stuff like that, it is a lifesaver. Anyhow, hope you guys are having a great week. If you're in Seattle or the Pacific Northwest, enjoying some sun finally. And for the rest of you all over the world, in the United States, peace.
Yeah.